Making AI animations today is incredibly easy. But keeping your characters consistent across scenes, that's a whole different challenge. I struggled with this too, until I found a simple method. In this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let me show you an example.
Goo Goo Gaga is shocked after seeing her weight. She makes up her mind to lose weight. She runs hard and struggles a lot. After returning home, she collapses onto the sofa from exhaustion. When it's lunchtime, she eats even more than usual. And as a result, her weight becomes even higher.
Now let's get started. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. I always use one AI tool, HitPaw Edimakor, because it can directly generate images, videos, and audio all in one place, which is very convenient. You can click the link in the description to download it, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate character image. Once you're inside, click AI image and open the image generator. You can use text to image, reference image, or image restyler. Let's start with reference image. Now select the Google Nano Banana 2 model. It's one of the most advanced models for AI images. Upload your reference image. You can use this reference image for better results. Resize the dimensions. Paste your prompt. You could find them in the description. Set your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, and hit generate. Just repeat the same steps for the rest. Step 3. Generate consistent character video. Now, right-click the image and select Image to Video. Next, choose the Kling 3.0 model. It produces realistic visuals and natural audio. Then, paste your prompt. Set your duration, mode. Make sure Generate Audio is turned on. Once everything is ready, hit Generate. Just repeat the same steps and you can easily create a 1-minute, 5-minute, or even 10-minute video, all with consistent characters. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.